Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage. Now let's move to left side to open camera settings, and here we have to slide a little bit down to general settings category to find at the second position save location info option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also important thing is that to make it work correctly we have to be connected with the internet, for example with Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device, so remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turn it on all of these settings. Let's move back to camera to take a photo. To see it, we have to move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. To check its location we have to tap to the center to get access to gallery options and move to right corner at the bottom, and here we have to tap to details. Now at the last place we have location with full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. We can also tap to it to go directly to Google Maps and check our location at the map. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.